Why do some people speak without sound while thinking? Most often, reason behind speaking without any sign while thinking is because during thinking a person's mind is not in a situation of taking care of his expression. It has been noticed that when people lie to someone or if they do not agree to the situation, they make unusual expressions in their faces. These lead to speak on their faces without sound. Another main reason behind this is the way we talk, or rather it is directly affected by the movement of our tongue. When someone speaks without thinking or if they are the victims of some incident, then automatic wrinkles appear in their foreheads. They don't have control over it. To have a control over it, many go for the option of yoga and other meditation that help them keep away from the skin infections and aura of tension. Why does the sun shine? The sun is the main source of light for the whole world. But how it is possible, no one knows till 1905, when Albert Einstein gave us the theory of E equals mc square relation of mass and energy. This theory has answered the question very nicely. The sun actually shines because within inside the sun, fusion reaction takes place where a group of 4 hydrogen nuclei combines to form a single nuclei. It means the process of the conversion of lighter elements into heavier elements. In course of such reaction, mass losses, and this lost mass gets converted into heat, light and other electromagnetic radiations. This process is called nuclear fusion. In simple words, the sun shines because of burning hydrogen into helium. This process is continuous. The sun converts 5 million tons of lost mass into energy every second. This energy heats the sun and makes it so shiny. Later, when the earth or anything absorbs it, it gets heated. Why is rainbow always curved? Rainbow is the most interesting topic to talk about among kids as it contains 7 different colors, but becomes a must-to-be answered question when someone asks why it is always curved in shape. Actually, such curved shape is because of angle factor. A rainbow causes when sunlight gets split by water droplets into different colors. The water droplets reflect light at 40 to 42 degrees and those angles work out as curved with our eyes in the center of curve. So we always find rainbows curved. Sometimes sunlight reflects twice around water droplets and exists at an angle of 51 degrees. A second rainbow can be found. Every person has his own rainbow as light reflects at different angles, keeping an individual's eye in the center. Every individual finds his head in the center of rainbow. A rainbow can only be seen if the sun is in the back side of the individual. Why is vaccination necessary? You might have noticed that vaccines are provided free of cost. Even you have also taken some of such vaccines in your childhood for sure. All such is done to save us from being afflicted with specific diseases. Diseases are of 2 types. One is infectious disease, prevented by living in hygienic condition, and other is specific, which is prevented by vaccination. Vaccine is not any medicine in actual, but a tiny amount of germ itself of specific disease. And when it is injected into the body of person, antibodies are produced by body to fight against such germs. Such antibodies then win over and become ready to fight against such types of disease germs in future. The germs which are injected into the body of a person as vaccine are very less in number, so that in any way they may not affect the person.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.